She's gonna trot. He's a good boy. Look at him. He's a good boy. Blind him. Are you ready? Are you ready, boy? I was talking to the horse, not you. Just kidding. Look at her go. So pretty. Hi. Look at you.
Oh my God.
He wants to run, doesn't he? He wants to run, doesn't he? Yes. He wants to run. Oh, you'll be covered as soon as you get off. Okay. Yeah.